lovers. So the Martha Brae actually was a couple. Martha was a witch and Brae was the husband. There's actually a great story.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears.
The cold one, honey?
Yeah, man.
Awesome. Thank you, my dear. Nothing better than a cold jelly while I'm here on the Martha Brae, relaxing with my boy, my hubby, my friends. Life is good.
Knowing there's nowhere to go, 'cause I am happy on this island. Wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave. I'm in a tropic club.
I'm here for the extra drinkers. Alright, one love. Yeah, man.
I don't think so.
Oh, did he try and take your beer?
Tried it. That's cool.
Nice.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem. So, Cleve, how long have you been on the Martha Brae?
25 years.
25 years? 35 years, but you're only like 30 years old. You look, this is might be keeping you young, is doing all this hard labor. It's your gym for sure. So what's your name?
Fred.
How long have you been on the Martha Brae?
First day.
Your first day. You look 2 seasons. Come on.
Well, I'm going 3 years.
3 years?
Yes, yes.
You have a little ways to go to catch up to Cleve.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
He's a more...
He's a senior.
Yeah, senior guy.
He's
no?
a daddy around here. There's shrimp down there right now?
Yeah, man. Yeah, sure.
We need a net.
Well, next time you come back in the river, you know?
Yeah.
Then we can fish it, you know?
All right, deal.
You bring your lines.
Bring my lunch?
Yes, and your nets, and then we can go fishing.
All right. What else do you catch in here?
Maybe you can catch other fishes, you know?
There is other fish in here?
Like snook, perch and mudfish and eel and jammer and a couple more, you know?
The Martha Brae River from the mountain to down here, they're roughly about 30 to 29 miles. But the reason why it carried that amount of mileage, the river would carry more mileage than the road, because the river have more turns than the road.
Okay.
So all those turns bring it up in more mileage.
The Martha Brae tour is about an hour to an hour and a half. It goes along 3 miles, 3 of the best miles on Martha Brae, because the Martha Brae is actually about 49 miles from the mountaintop all the way down.
Are you stress-free, Ty? Are you feeling any stress right now? No, I didn't think so.
Ty, why don't you tell Mommy's followers about how you think, what do you think about this beautiful Martha Brae tour?
Good.
Yeah? What do you like about it so far?
It's
I
wet.
want to stay here with you guys forever.
Really? You want to stay with us forever because is it relaxing? Yeah?